If you are wondering if you can add the widgets to the lock screen on the Motorola Edge 70, then the answer is no, not really. However, there is something that you can do in order to get some additional information on the lock screen besides the clock, for example, and notifications. So if you open settings on your Edge 70, then you can go to personalize. And now we're gonna scroll down in here and we need to go to the lock screen. We can tap on the lock screen over here in order to start customization of the lock screen. And of course over here we have the clock. We can actually tap on this clock face in order to personalize it, and we can choose a different clock face. Let's say we're gonna choose over here. We have some information about the weather, like the humidity, I believe, and some other stuff. We can also switch to this style as well, and this clock face also contains this information. And yeah, so this is the only thing that we can do. Something that is the closest to widgets is this, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.